Hey Luigi! Mario, it's been 14 years since you called me. I came as quick as I could because I know I really like to reunite with my brother. Oh, okay, first of all, it hasn't been that long. It's been like 3 days. And second of all, I need you to do something for me. I'd do anything for you, Mario. Spaghetti! I want the spaghetti! Oh. Alright. Where do I get spaghetti? The restaurant? Oh, no! I want my special spaghetti! What, your special 2:30 spaghetti? Yeah! But do you get that to the restaurant? No. I mean my special 2:30 and 30-second spaghetti. Oh. Where is that? Oh, it's at the top of Prongo Hill. Prongo Hill? That doesn't sound, like a very friendly place. Oh no, it's safe, trust me. There's some random Prongo guy there. And, yeah, don't worry about him. Just go there and take the spaghetti. Whatever you say, Mario. I trust you. I'm gonna go over there now. What an idiot!
Holy shit!
Help, 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 help.
Wait a minute. Helicopter? What are you doing here? What do you mean you live here? Oh, I know what you mean. Knexinator and the guys haven't been inviting me to stuff anymore either. I think it's because of all those YouTubers. Anyway, do you want to play some cards? I have some poker, if you want to play that. What do you mean I'm a part of the problem? Why didn't I call you when you invited... Oh, you saw that video? Oh, come on, they invited me to do that video, and I was a part of it. Oh, come on, I only got the minor role. Besides, Mario and Knexinator are to blame. Tell you what, you can, I don't know, maybe enact revenge on them or something. But don't blame me.
Hi! How can I help you? Are we being raped again? I just shit my pants!
Some people call me the Space Cowboy.
Oh shit!
Run, bitch! Run!
We don't have time for this. We have to prepare. We have to go hide. Because the entire town is going to be coming in 3, 2, 1. Hey! I know you in there! You better open up! Cause we have some words we need to say to you about destroying the town! Ah shit, they're already here! Everyone, quick!